Today, we will prepare roasted chicken with juniper and other spices. You will need chicken, red onion, garlic, lard, flour, speck, juniper, allspice, black pepper, salt and bouquet garni. Cut 50 grams of speck into small pieces. Heat up a pan and melt 1 tablespoon of lard. Add the speck to the pan. Fry the speck briefly and add the chicken to the pan. Fry the chicken for a few minutes, browning it from all sides. Peel and slice 1 large red onion and add the onion to the pan. Fry everything for a bit longer, until the onion softens. Keep turning the chicken pieces to brown them evenly. Peel 5 cloves of garlic, chop them into smaller pieces, and add the chopped garlic to the pan. Once the garlic softens, add 1 tablespoon of plain, all-purpose flour. Mix the flour with the melted lard. Add boiling water, covering the chicken pieces halfway up. Add a bay leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Add half a teaspoon of allspice berries. Add 1 teaspoon of juniper berries. Stir everything, and place the pan in an oven, preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, add a bouquet garni. My bouquet garni is made of rosemary, sage, and thyme. Turn the chicken pieces. Roast the chicken for another 20 minutes, or until it is cooked through. If the skin does not look crispy enough, increase the oven temperature for the last few minutes. Serve the chicken with a side of your choice. It goes really well with dumplings. I've left a link to my parsley dumpling recipe within this video's description.